Hello, Zara. I heard that you go to Our Lady of Muswell School and you're in year two. And I've also heard that your teacher is Miss Carter. My name is Anna, and I would like to read you a story today. So I want you to sit comfortably and listen whilst I read you a story which is called I Have the Hiccups. I Have the Hiccups, written by Anne Harth. Have you ever had the hiccups, Zara? I sometimes get the hiccups. Do you know what they sound like? Can you make the noise? Oh, that's funny. I'm going to make the noise now. Hic, hic, hic. And now the story begins. Hic! I have the hiccups. They won't go away. Hold your breath and count to 10, Mum says. I take a deep breath. I puff out my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. I count to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hic! I still have the hiccups. Drink a glass of water, Dad says. I drink. The water is cold. It dribbles down my chin. Hic! I still have the hiccups. Eat a pickle, my brother says. I don't like pickles, I say. He shrugs. It will get rid of your hiccups. I take a tiny little bite of a pickle. It's sour. I make a face. Ew. Hic, hic. I still have the hiccups. I go next door to Auntie Noura's house. Help! I say. I have the hiccups. Lie on the floor, Auntie Noura says. I lie on the floor. Lift your feet. I lift my feet. Sing the ABC song. What? I say. It'll work. Try it. I sing my ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Ups. Oh dear. I still have the hiccups. My cousin, Salima, comes home. She's very smart. She reads a lot. I have the hiccups, Salima. Please help me. I beg. Salima says. Stand on one leg. I do. I hold onto a chair. Now stick out your tongue. I do. I stretch it out as far as I can. Can you stick your tongue out, Zara? As far as you can. A bit further now. Oh, that's very cheeky. Let's carry on with the story. Now open your eyes really wide. Can you do that too, Zara? I do. And try not to blink. Now, look over your shoulder, she says. I look over my shoulder. Now, wiggle your toes. I wiggle my toes. Can you wiggle your toes, Zara? I'm wiggling my toes. I hope I don't fall. I am wobbling on one leg. My eyelids are getting tired. My tongue is dry. My neck is sore too. I'm not sure if Salima's idea is a good one. Do you? Do you think it will get rid of the hiccups? Shall we see? Wait, Salima says as she leaves the room. Don't move, she calls. I don't move, but I really want to. I wait And wait. Suddenly, the door opens. A bright flash blinds me. I put my leg down and pull in my tongue. I blink my eyes and turn my head to the front. My toes stop wiggling. Salima laughs and holds up her camera. She shows me the picture she just took. I smile. I look silly. Yes, Salima laughs, but your hiccups are gone. Wow. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions, Zara, about the story. How many people try to cure the hiccups? Can you think? Shall we go back and see? There's Salima, 1. Count them on your hands. 1. Let's see who else there is. Who's that? That's right, Auntie Nura. And then who's that? That's right, the brother who told him to eat a pickle. Then who's that? That's Dad, correct. What did Dad tell him to do? Very good. Drink a glass of water. And then the very first person he spoke to was? That's right. And what did Mum say to do? And did that work? No, it didn't. Holding breath and counting to 10 did not work. Let's look at the other questions. Just going to the end of the story again now. Now, what is Brother's idea for curing the hiccups? Do you remember? That's right. Eat a pickle. Did that work? No. Do you remember who the first person is to try and help him? That's right. Did it work? No. Who was the person that managed to make the hiccups stop? That's right, Salima. And what did she tell him to do? Correct. And did that work? Exactly. Very good. Well done, Zara. Now, what's the best word to describe Salma? What word would you use? Oh, that's a great word. Well done, Zara. It's been so lovely reading to you today. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now I'd like you to go and draw a picture of somebody having the hiccups. It could be you, it could be the little boy in the story, it could be your mummy or your daddy, or a brother or a sister, but I just want you to draw a very funny picture of somebody having the hiccups. Good girl, well done. Bye-bye.